Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please join me. You can use leftovers yarn, and today you will see how to crochet very simple cute flowers. This is my own pattern. I will use 1.4 millimeters crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. Please join me and let's get started. I will start from the chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. The foundation ring is ready. Let's crochet the first round. Make a chain and work into the chain space. Make 6 single crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And as you can see, I removed long piece of yarn. And to complete this round, work with the slip stitch into the first single crochet. My first round is ready. Let's crochet round 2. Make a chain, insert the hook into the same stitch, make single crochet, then chain of 3, yarn over the hook 4 times, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So my chain space for the petal is ready. I'm making strings around this chain space or the stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook around the stitch or chain space, pull up a loop. In total it should be 15 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Well done. Insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop. I move my crochet hook to make my strings a little bit loosely. Then yarn over. I hold the loops with my finger. Yarn over, pull through loops on the hook, like this. Make a chain and pull a little bit. So my berry petal is ready. Make a chain, pull a little bit, pull up the working loop, insert the hook into the chain space, grab the yarn, pull it through, insert the hook into the next stitch, make single crochet. So my petal is ready. My Bullion block stitch that I did in an unusual way is ready. And my petal is done. Let's repeat one more time. Make chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over the hook 4 times, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times, then make 15 strings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop. Like this. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, make a chain, pull a little bit. Here what I have. Pull up the working loop, insert the hook into the chain space, grab the yarn, pull it through. Insert the hook through the next stitch, make single crochet, and my second petal for my cute flower is done. I have done 2 petals. In total it should be 6 of them. You should crochet 4 more with your own. Then I will show you how to complete my flower. Keep working this way till the end of this round. Once I have done all my petals, to complete this round, work with a slip stitch. Insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch. To secure the yarn by making a chain. And pull it. My cute flower is ready. You can add a bead to the center of the flower if you want. Here how it looks with bead. I just need to remove a long piece of yarn and to sew a bead to the center. My cute and amazing project is ready. It's perfect for beginners. It takes over 10 minutes of your time. Pattern consists of only 2 rounds. You can use such flower like a decoration for big project or like a separate motif. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my flowers. Good luck in crocheting. See you next time and thank you so much for watching. Bye!